The Great Barrier Reef, where coral castles dance with the deep. Forget the Eiffel Tower. The Great Barrier Reef is the world's biggest single structure. Built by living organisms, a sprawling coral metropolis, teeming with vibrant life. Imagine a kaleidoscope of color, where turquoise waters cradle technicolor coral reefs. Fish dart like living jewels, and turtles glide through underwater castles. This is no ordinary tourist trap. It's a living, breathing ecosystem, a testament to evolution's artistry. Dive into a world of wonder. Snorkel alongside clownfish nestled in anemones, their neon stripes a dazzling display. Scuba through canyons of coral, ancient and majestic, their intricate formations home to 1,000 hidden creatures. Witness the silent ballet of manta rays, their wings gliding through the blue, or the playful antics of dolphins frolicking in the waves. Every inch of this underwater wonderland is a symphony of life, waiting to be explored. Beyond the coral curtain, the Great Barrier Reef isn't just about coral. Mangrove forests whisper secrets to the wind, their tangled roots a haven for birds and fish. Sandy beaches stretch like sun-kissed ribbons, inviting you to soak up the warmth and watch the sun paint the sky with fiery hues. Islands dot the horizon, emerald jewels promising hidden coves and secluded adventures. A legacy to protect, but this underwater paradise faces threats. Climate change, pollution, and unsustainable practices whisper their own dark stories. It's our responsibility to protect this irreplaceable wonder, to ensure its vibrant colors and teeming life continue to dance with the deep. Responsible tourism, supporting conservation efforts, and making conscious choices are the keys to preserving this legacy for generations to come. A journey that transforms. Visiting the Great Barrier Reef is more than a vacation. It's a transformation. It's a humbling reminder of our interconnectedness with nature, a realization of the delicate balance that sustains life. It's a call to action, a responsibility to protect this precious treasure. So, step onto the sandy shores, feel the ocean's pulse beneath your feet, and let the Great Barrier Reef work its magic on you. You might just leave a piece of your heart in its coral castles, forever bound to the rhythm of the deep. Remember, this is just a starting point. Feel free to add specific details, personal anecdotes, or information about particular islands or activities. Use evocative language and vivid imagery to paint a picture of the Great Barrier Reef's wonders. Highlight the importance of conservation and responsible tourism. And with a call to action, inspiring readers to visit and protect this natural marvel.